Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to work with classes to create columns with HTML and CSS. I have this template, very simple template. In the body I want to create three divs that look like that. Basically three exactly similar div elements that are lined up like that. Okay, you can obviously come up with three divs. So you can separately create them and give them ID box 1, box 2, box 3 and float them, but there's a really much easier way of doing this. So in order to create repeated items, we need something called class. That is versus ID. ID is a unique identification name or label, but classes can be applied to a group of elements. So let me show you how that works. Here we have a div. We used to give them an ID equals quotations. So now instead of ID, I'm going to call it class, and I'm just going to call it column. You can name it anything you want. We're going to close the div. There you go. It's not going to show anything here, of course, because we have not styled it yet. For the divs, we used the pound sign or the hash character, but here for the class we use a dot. It's the period or dot. So we're going to call it dot column, then curly brackets. I'm going to give it width, height, and background color, just the normal way that we treat divs. So let's go with, I'm going to go 150 px. For the height, I'm going to go 250 px. Background color, I'm going to go gray to match the example I just showed you. So obviously we have a div. I can simply repeat this as many times as I want in order to have as many of these as I want. All I need to do is just to copy that one and paste it here. So I have 3 of them here, therefore we're going to have 3 of them here. But oops, see what happens. It looks like that one changed its size, but it actually did not do that. These are 3 of them stacked in the bottom of each other. In order for you to see them better, we can just add margin to them. So I'm just going to add margin of 15 pixels, 15px. Okay, now you can see them there. If you want them to be side by side, all you need to do is to float them to the left. So let's go float left, and that applies to all of them. There you go. Now they're floated to the left. This is a really cool and easy way of creating repeated items. There are tons of websites that have items like this on their home pages, and then you can put pictures, headings, and text here and unify all of them to make sure they all look alike. I'm just going to play around with this a little bit. To make it nicer, instead of background, I'm going to go border 1px dotted black. So it looks like that. Then inside here we can put h2. I'm just going to call it welcome and close h2. We're going to duplicate this one and put it for all of these divs, and I'm going to change this to, for instance, services and about us. So there you go. And you can do the same thing with paragraphs. You can put some paragraphs here. I'm going to type welcome to our web page. We are happy to have you here. Okay, something very simple. And then I'm going to do that. There you go. I'm just going to copy and paste that here as well for the other two divs, so we have some text here as well. So now if you want to style this even better, for instance, I want to have some paddings here. All I need to do is to go here and type padding, and then I'm going to add 15px, and that's going to be applied to all of them. Let's take a look. There you go. So that's a very simple way of creating columns that exactly look alike using classes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.